So today we're going to look at 2812 Gilmary, and it has this beautiful front yard with good curb appeal. It has a true two-car garage. Kind of give you an idea what's going on in the neighborhood here. I'm going to walk you through the property and tell you all about this 3-bedroom plus studio. But this is the front gate. This is a iron security gate that locks. And when we get past the security gate, we have this beautiful little courtyard. Some nice light. There's actually some white tea lights in these little bush here. And we have a water fountain that works. And we have this pavered courtyard. And nice little seating area here. And we also have this beautiful double door entry. And when I open the door here, we're going to be right into the family room here. So we have a little foyer when you come in, little entrance, a little stand here, little area here. And then as you get into the family room here straight ahead, we have some built-ins to our left. It's actually a good sized space. And as you can see, we have this nice big fireplace. In front of me is a couch, so you can kind of see the amount of space that this room can hold. There's some additional space there. And then right off the front entry here, because if I look back, you're going to see I'm at the front door. When you're at the front door, you can either go to your right and see the dining room, kitchen combination area. So this is a nice 6-piece dining area with some chairs at the bar. Has a window that overlooks that courtyard that we just came in from. And take a look at this kitchen. Nice maple cabinets, and we have a new induction stove cooktop there. This overlooks the outside of the house. And this kitchen has lots of counter space, and cabinets are in great shape. Double ovens. And we have a side-by-side refrigerator. And off of this kitchen area is a studio. And this studio has a good amount of room. We can't call this one a bedroom because we don't have a closet. One can easily be added, and you'd have a 4-bedroom property instead of a 3. This is where they do all their artwork, but they're also moving, so you see some boxes there. And kind of in this room overlooks the patio in the backyard, which is one of my favorite spaces, and we'll go out there in a moment and I'll show that to you. I'm going to go back in through the kitchen, dining area, and we're going to get back into the foyer area of the property where we were, and we're going to make a left from the front door. And here we're going to have a double door slider glass closet space, in addition to a coat closet here on your right. And as we go down the hall here, this is where the 3 bedrooms will be. We have the master bedroom to our right, and we have secondary bedrooms here on our left. And I'm going to come through and put some lights on. Oops. So you can see the guest bedroom here has a window overlooking the front of the property. And good space. Closet. It's going to be one of your slider closet doors. This one does not have the doors on because it's the granddaughter's room. And here we have the second bedroom. And this is the one they use for an office, which is right next to it. Again, overlooking the front of the property. Ceiling fans in all the rooms. Double glass door closet. This is a bathroom in the hallway. This is going to be a dual sink countertop. And it's going to have the combo tub and shower. So we're going to go down the hallway here and go to master bedroom, which is in the back of the house. And it's a good sized room. So when you're coming in the door here, they have TV space. You have a nice window overlooking the backyard. All the carpet in here is only about a month old. And then this will take you to walk into the closet, and then we're going to take a look at the master bathroom, which is a tub shower combo as well. And this one is a single sink. Looks like there's plenty of room to add a double sink if it was to you choose to. So we're going to come back out of here. I'm going to take you into the backyard that I absolutely love. We're going back through the hallway towards the front door on our right. And then we're going to go out this slider off of the living space here. And open this slider here. And this has great space. You'll have this nice big backyard. It's nice and private. That window that you see right here is the one off of the master bedroom that we just left. So you have a nice little gazebo. We have a security fence around the pool, but that just pops out of these little holes there, and you can roll it up and put it away for entertaining. You can see the backyard is private all the way around. And it has this nice large patio cover space, so you can enjoy the outdoors almost every season. So this is the French door the sliding glass door we came in off of the living space, and this is the one that will be off of that studio art room that we walked through earlier. So this is 2812 Gilmary. We would love to give you a private tour if that's what you need. We wanted to give you a chance to take a look at this online as well. 2812 Gilmary in the lovely McNeil neighborhood.